In 2023, I must have only fapped about 4 times. Some of you men who are watching this right now have probably fapped 5 times this week already, and it's only Tuesday. What I'm going to tell you is possibly the best way for you to prepare your mind from fapping. Pornography has consumed so many young men in this generation, and it's only going to get worse. So many more young men are going to get addicted because their parents are giving them iPads and technology and the means to access porn whenever they want. And you know, I know these parents mean well, they don't mean anything bad, but they don't understand the damage that they're actually doing. This video is going to help you now, but it will also hopefully help future generations of people. They're going to come across this video years down the line. So this is a video that's going to help a lot of young men out there, and it's how to completely repair your mind from pornography. I'm going to tell you 3 things to do, and if you to implement these into your life, you will no longer struggle with porn. And not only that, but you will actually, your mind will start to get back to its natural state again whenever you were a child. Do you ever get it whenever you were a young kid and you had such a burst of energy and like motivation all the time to want to do stuff, to go outside and to play and to ride your bike and to do all these things that if you were to think to do now, you just couldn't be bothered to do? You can actually prepare your mind so much to the point where you can get back to the state where like doing those things actually becomes fun. The first thing you gotta do, bro, you need to meditate. And if you're somebody who's been watching my channel for a while, you will know this is pretty much one of the most crucial things, is meditation. Meditation is whenever you're aware of your thoughts and you can understand which ones are bad and which ones are good, and you can basically, it's like taking a bath for your brain. You're cleansing your brain from all the bad thoughts that don't do you any good in life. Focusing on your breathing, making yourself calm, it benefits you in so many positions in life, because so many of us don't even know how to breathe properly, bro. So many of us breathe so shallow and fast, and there's a lot of bad things that come from that. I'm not going to spend too much on this, but focus on meditation. Meditate is one of the key things that is going to completely repair your mind in general from porn and other things. So start off by meditating for 5 minutes. The next thing is, the next time you get an urge, this isn't meditation, but next time you do get an urge to want to fap, close your eyes and lie back in your bed and almost imagine like there's like that the urge is kind of like a black smoke, like a black cloud that's entering your body, that's trying to plague your mind. I want you to picture that black smoke coming into your body and into your mind, and just let it pass. Close your eyes, control your breathing, lie back, and just let the smoke just pass through your body and out. You're a man who wants to reproduce, okay? So there's no shame in having urges to want to fap. It's just you've tricked your mind for so many years into thinking that you're doing it with a real girl in the scene that you're watching, but you're actually not. It's just pixels on a screen, bro. And finally, once you've done those 2 things, the third thing you want to do is you want to do either a dopamine detox or you want to go on monk mode. So a dopamine detox is pretty much you change your lifestyle and stop chasing instant gratification like porn and drugs and junk food and all that there, and instead choose a lifestyle where you go after delayed gratification like meditation, cold showers and working out. So once you change your life to having that sort of lifestyle where you choose the things that are hard and ugly to do right now but will massively benefit you in the future, it completely changes your life, because you're putting the hard work in now for a better life in the future, and your future self will be proud of you and will smile at you whenever he sees you doing this, because it's one step closer for you to hit your potential, bro. Dopamine detox and monk mode pretty much are the same thing. So if you're a young man watching this right now, implement those things, those 3 things, and I promise you, bro, you will thank me for it, and you will be proud of yourself and you will hit your potential as a young man. These are the only things you need to do this year. Focus on your own life, focus on the things that you're doing, cut out, you know, your toxic friends and do all those other things that you know you should be doing. Live by those 3 principles. Do those 3 things. You will get yourself back into the state again. You'll be far happier in life, and you will start enjoying the smaller things in life, like having an ice cream or talking to that cute girl that you find attractive. Those things no longer become difficult because you actually have an excitement towards them. Because whenever you're nervous and you see a girl and you're nervous to go up and talk to her, that's not really nerves, it's excitement. And if you go on a dopamine detox, if you repair your brain from porn, you will start getting that energy back again. You will actually feel that excitement that you have to actually go up and talk to her. As men, like the testosterone we have, the stuff that we have in our balls, it's like fuel in a car. It's energy. You're draining all that out of you because you're tricking your brain into thinking that you just had sex with a girl. And reproduction as human beings is like the pinnacle of human life. It's the pinnacle of human evolution. It's kind of like the end game of like in a video game. It's like the final boss. And after you kill the final boss in a video game, what happens? You don't need to do anything else after that. And it's the same with this. That's why you feel lazy and lethargic and slow and tired all the time after you do it. Do you really think Alexander the Great, all these famous warriors and conquerors and world leaders were going out fapping every single day? Do you think they had porn addictions, bro? No, they didn't. And look what they all achieved. I truly hope this does help a lot of young men out. Don't waste your time looking back. We're not going that way, bro.